So Solana is sitting at $155 right now, and just like Ethereum or Bitcoin and others, it has done its pretty much uptrend right now, and there is nothing bearish about Solana, but like I've mentioned in other coins, we need retracement. It needs to pull back a little, which is very, very important and healthy for any coin to do. And we have seen good movement up on Solana, and it broke its neckline. The neckline was at 148, and afterwards it pumped and it went towards almost 160. So this was the neckline. It broke and it rallied and it delivered on its double bottom promise, just like Ethereum. In Ethereum, it's actually fulfilled in pretty good structure. On Solana, it could have done a little bit more towards 162. If we remember our old targets with Solana, it always has this 162, 122, that kind of behavior. But over here, it didn't do it. Maybe it will go and do that first and then come down. I don't know. But pretty much it has done enough of fulfilling according to the double bottom structure. I call it W. It has broken out of this neckline and gone up. It has delivered on it. I'll consider that. I would rather be looking at the retracement. If you are someone who hasn't entered into this coin and is looking into an entry, then I think you should wait for the retracement. The level of support that Solana has is at 132. As long as it holds above 132, you can rely on it. And as I mentioned, that there is a neckline support at 148. So the first mini support that it has is at 148 because it was its neckline. So it will work as a support. And afterwards, it's 132, which is way more solid support. I think 132 is too low. But that is the worst case scenario where Solana basically goes down totally on its overall rally. So I would be first looking at 148 instead of 132. I would rely on 148 and I would hope that it holds. If you look at the case scenario of, the case scenario of Ethereum. In case of Ethereum, we had a retest of the support of the neckline. That is not something that happened with Solana, unfortunately. In Solana, if you look at it, when it started going up, it never came back to test the support. In case of Ethereum, when it went up, it retests and then it went up, which ensured that this is actually support to stand on, but that is not the case scenario with Solana. So it makes it a bit tricky that if it lands now to test the support, will the support hold or will it break? That's why coins that generally do a retest before its big rally, it turns it confirms that this is a good support and it sends that signal into the market. But a coin that doesn't do and then just rally, when it comes back for a retest, sometimes it breaks. Sometimes the retest fails and it falls down. But I think, at least out of respect, we will see a reaction at 148. It will come down and then it will react up before going further down if it wants to go and test 132. But anything, out there in the market right now in case of Solana is not bearish. If we look at the overall large perspective of the story, we are sitting in October. We have 2 weeks left. So there is time for retracement and then we can start rallying, and then next month it is going to get even more bullish and it is going to continue to be like this because you are sitting in the 2020 and the 2021 is yet to come. So this year is the 2020 for us. Next year is going to be the 2021. So you have one more year of bull run and we will have a confirmation in December whether this is 2020 or whether this year is the 2021.